Hello, welcome to today's video. My name is Steven and I will be reviewing this airdrop that you will be mining and be earning some coins. When the coin gets listed, you'll be able to swap it to USDT or Tether, any one of your choice. When you sign up, you will come to this mining tab, this thing, and it will start mining. This icon, this one, tap it will start mining. It will start mining. Then after for the day mining, you go over to this place to stake your gold. You see, this price is the amount that I have currently on my membrance, meaning that I have zero gold there, and I will have to withdraw this one from my staking account. Confirm. You see, and I have 0.37. So all I have to do is up and stake. It's now in here now. That's all that I have to do for the day, and I will wait for this one to be done. You can see the amount of days it will still take. It only have 24 hours before the next mining will start, making it a day. In this place you can answer questions and in gold. As you can see, and I don't have the time to answer the questions, so I have to quit. This is the invitation place. You'll be getting 8% of the person's income every day, and if you manage to reach, you see the amount there. If you manage to reach it, you can be able to swap to what we call USGT. I don't know what it means, but it is already clarified here. Unlock home looking good token. That's what it means. So you can also swap it to USDT when you have the unlocked token something good. When you have it, you can now swap it to USDT, and I don't know how much one of it will be. It's not allowing me to type anything in there. Okay, and you can see withdraw. Let me know what I will see first. Then they are asking me to enter my Gmail and other things which I haven't reached the amount for withdrawal, so I have to exit. You can also do these things so You won't be losing anything. It's free. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime that I post any video about crypto, you'll be the first person to get notified. Bye. Peace.